Hi, I'm Bill Jarrett. I'm with BalanceBox Mounts, and today I'm showing you our eBox 3 mobile stand with our Wink system. So what we're able to do is have a interactive panel behind us up to an 86-inch and add an additional whiteboard option. So if you're in a classroom environment, you can easily have both an interactive panel as well as a whiteboard space. The nice thing about this, I'm actually able to easily adjust this. It's motorized, and I've got a 26-inch lift on this. So I'm actually able to take this wherever I need it and adjust the height to whatever the end user might need. The other thing is I can add a battery pack to this as well. So again, I can run my panel up to 4 hours with a battery pack. So it doesn't just have to stay near a outlet at any time. You've got complete usability throughout the building. If you'd like more information, please reach out to us at balanceboxmounts.com.